guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to build a little shelf basically for my kitchen countertop that I can put little containers on that I have tea in because I like tea. So enjoy!
First things first, grab a pencil.
So you see, I've done a lot of projects over the years and I've learned a lot along the way. But I think the most important thing when it comes to DIY projects is always measure twice, cut once. Because then, when you come to put your two pieces together, just like that, you know they are going to be exactly the same length. You see what...
Grab yourself some sandpaper. Time to grab your wood glue.
You see, with projects like these, it's always very tempting to put a bunch of screws and nails and things in there, but truth be told, good old-fashioned wood glue, more than enough for a project like this. Keep it well and truly strong.
Now get yourself a thin wood strip.
Alright, so we've come pretty far with our little project here. Our top bits over here, as well as the top itself, is still loose because that just makes it a little bit easier for painting. Now that is going to be the next step, and what I'm thinking for that is a brown stain for the frame, and then we'll go with a water-based white paint for the top here, which after drying will give a nice little sanding just to bring that grain back through and give it a bit of a rustic feeling. Now I do have a nice little tip for painting something like this, is grab an old wooden board, and this is actually the same board that I cut this top out of, and drive some thin nails through there, and that way you can lay it flat, put that on top, paint one side, flip it around, paint the other side. That way you can have both sides painted at the same time to save you a bit of time. So yeah, I think all that's left to do is to start painting. Cool.
Time to grab some paint supplies. Now grab yourself some more sandpaper. Now grab a few clamps to hold it all together overnight.
Alright, so that is how you build the perfect little tea container stand. And since that is all done, there's only one thing left to do. And yep, you guessed it, have a nice cup of coffee.